What's up? I am uploading a new image onto my profile. Yeah. So what's up? Justin B is King here. Hey Tiger. It's my cat over there. Come here, Tiger. Come here. Be a douche. Come here. What are you gonna do? Well, what's up? I am just chiseling. I'm just chilling right now. It was too large. Browse. Dang it! I'm not gonna be able to put on a good picture. Hold up, you're gonna have to give me a minute here. It'll take me just a second. Alright, any hoozles. Why did I just say that? It's gay. What is up? How is y'all's doing? Oh, that is a pretty damn big picture. I have no clue how to do this. Hold up. File open. Freaking gay. I have no clue how to freaking do this. What is up? As I said, Justin B is King is here. I'm just gonna be calling myself Justin or Justin B. I don't really do much videos with me and them. But I'm gonna start doing that. You know, being a good person. Ooh, mail. Well, let's see who sent me a message. I'm gonna deal with the picture and everything, you know, after I'm done with this video. What's up? I was checking out your page and you seem cool. Will you check out mine? Reply. Sure. What are you doing? Are you gay? No, I'm not gonna say that. No one really comments on my videos. I mean, I'm gonna do videos with me and them. I hope y'all would, you know, take the time to comment my videos and, you know, be a good Samaritan. I bet y'all are getting bored just watching me sit here on the computer. So, I'm going to show you my house. There's my cat, Tiger. Come here. Caught you. Look at this cute little kitty. Run! Run! Run, because your life depends on it. I'm gonna go outside. Stupid door. That is my mom out there. Look, it's my other kitty, Andy. Look how cute that cat is. Chasing up the leaves. Come here. Come here. Your heart's beating. You smell weird. It's my mom. Say hi. Hi. Oh, you know, you just lighten up the mood. Yeah, well, that was my boring mother and my little cat, Andy, who was still playing with Link. That was so funny looking. I wish I could zoom in on this camera, but it's kind of crap. There's Tiger again. Alright. Y'all want some music? Raise your hands if you want some music. I'm gonna do it anyway. That's a video that I made from my account. It's on my account actually. I love the Saints. I live in Louisiana.
Alright, so I just got back from the store and
Ooh, Wiggles Vision. He is a good friend of mine. Wiggles Vision.
I got my DVD in the mail that I've been waiting for the longest time.
Hope you're watching this video, because you are showcased in my video. Prank call to Bikini Bottom. Oh, dude, I gotta watch that. You know, I'm gonna watch that after. So, what's happening? What's up? What's up? I'll have to end this soon. So, I hope y'all watch my videos. I hope y'all like them. This is just a beginning. It's kind of stupid. Like I said, go check out JRDizations. If I can, I'm gonna leave in the sidebar over here, or up here, down here, or in this general. You know what? It probably not even gonna be on my video, because I don't know how to do that. I don't have that kind of technology. I have a crappy little camera that can't pause. That can't do anything like all these big time people can do. Yeah. So, JRDizations, capital JRD, lowercase IZATIONC. Go check them out. They're pretty good. Alright, peace.